Really?
Well, I'm standing in Connaught Place, which was once a bustling place, but we know the lockdown is here. And if my camera person Neeraj can show you, it is completely empty, and that has been the situation for past few days. We know that numbers have increased substantially to over 15,000. A number of active cases as well have also increased. But the focus of the Indian government is to make sure that the lockdown is followed and people stay inside, stay safe. That is the main focus. We also know there have been many geopolitical ramifications, including India announcing that when it comes to FDI from countries which India shares land border with, it will need to get government approval. This is something important because we know that Chinese aggressive buying across the world has raised concerns, and we know the reaction has also come from the Chinese government. The Chinese embassy here released a statement saying that no discriminatory practices should happen and there should be a review. But by and large, if we look at the global situation, it has continued to deteriorate across the world. We know that United States is the epicenter of this crisis, but on the ground, this is the situation. I'll ask my camera person Neeraj to show you more shots of once busy Connaught Place, which is completely empty. Of course, the environment has substantially improved here in India, and of course here in the national capital Delhi. If my camera person can show you the clouds, it is clear blue skies, something that is rarely seen in Delhi, but it has vastly improved here in India, in Delhi, and that is something that is perhaps the only silver lining. By and large, we know the lockdown has also created issues when it comes to food, especially for the lower class. That is something that is also a major concern here in India. With video journalist Neeraj Patel, Siddhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.